Hey friends, if you wish to delay loading of specific services in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open services in the Windows search bar and open the services menu. Now let's say we need to delay this app readiness service. Right click on this one, select properties, and then there's an option called startup type. Change it to automatic delayed start and then click on apply and then click on okay. So this is what happens now. This simply means that your what do we say app will not that service will not launch at startup itself. It won't launch automatically at startup itself. It will launch after a while so that you can start up your system fast and get to your work, and after a while the services will get into play. But it depends on which service you for which service you wish to enable this option, because all services do not deserve that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.